So, wee bit of a different one tonight. Lauren's in the house getting sorted out for work tomorrow, but I got a text message saying, do you want to go out tonight? So, me and Neal, Sawslostsouls, give him a follow on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. We are here tonight at Ballyboley. We're going to call out. We're going to see what happens. Here we go. So we're about to enter the forest, the dark, dark forest. Don't know whether the camera's picking that up or not, but this is notorious for druid figures, shadow figures, noises, barking, people shouting help. This is absolutely crazy, this forest. We were saying how peaceful it was, and then it was just starting to kick off. So wish us luck. And if anybody finds this camera and finds this story, we tried our best. So we're literally just into the forest, and we just heard like a I don't know where the camera picked it up or not, but it just feels like we're not alone tonight. I heard that.
You hear that?
That was strange.
Right, there's a C5 going. Chris was talking to the camera, and then in the background there was like a hello. Hello? Does anyone wants to come forward and speak to us? Right, I got a message. I know this sounds really random and silly, but Charlie messaged me. And just obviously you've seen on the thing, I said we're going to Ballyboley Forest. She's never been here before in her life, by the way. And she says she's seen a marked tree. And I've just noticed that tree's marked.
Let me see.
I don't know if it's maybe it's due to probably be cut down or something like that, but the tree is marked.
That's crazy.
Is it the marked one? Is it?
It looks like a 9. Is that a 9? Can you see that, guys? Like a number 9. So I'm wondering, is that the area, maybe? I wonder, is there more? I haven't seen any other trees marked. So, to put it in a bit of context for you, Neal's friend, Charlie, is a psychic medium, and he's used her at a few different locations while she's not here, and she's been able to give him information that he wouldn't have had. So, that's definitely something. Is there anyone here with us that would like to communicate? We don't mean any harm. We're not here to cause any hassle. We come as friends.
Use our energy to show yourself. Make a loud noise. We've seen you in light form before. We've seen you as blue and red lights and stuff. Would you be able to do that again for us?
Hey, dog.
I'll sound closer.
They've changed the forest up a wee bit. They've done a wee bit of cutting trees down and stuff, and it's so strange down and up the hill here. You go from like loads of trees. We've just come around the corner, and all the trees are gone. It's just like a big opening now. I don't know where you can see us, but that looks pretty cool. Look at the moon. So it's a full moon tonight. I'm not promising any werewolves though.
Is that someone standing up there?
At the very top of the hill?
Yeah, you see it?
Right there.
Yeah, right there.
I don't know whether the camera's picking it up, but see whenever you look along the top line of the tree.
Looks like someone standing there. Oh.
That's so freaky, isn't it? Like if you were down there along and just looked up. Is that, there's no walls up there, is there?
No. I don't know if you can see this, guys. It looks like there's someone literally standing right there. Hello? That's all smooth and then it's just that
Yeah,
bigger looking thing there.
the whole way along that is smooth. Yeah, I see what you mean. Like, it's not moving, but fuck, I suppose if you were standing looking down on somebody, they wouldn't move, would they? What was it?
Mate, that was a fucking loud scream. That was a loud scream. I was like, ah! You were fucking talking, so we weren't even filming. We were just down there talking because we're going to try and get into this dense forest up here. We're talking, and I just heard this, like this fucking long scream. Fuck off. Mate, that was loud. I don't know how you didn't hear that.
Suppose I was running my mouth off, wasn't I?
Mate, that was loud.
Hello?
I didn't say that a second ago because fucking that scream sounded fucking.
Hello?
It sounded more blood curdling than it did fucking happy scream. Might keep the camera on for a bit here, guys, to see.
I'll not take it off record yet. Just let it work away. See if I can hear it again.
It doesn't help when I spend a lot of my time sitting watching, but then you ever seen Exploring with Us?
Yeah.
And they do like all the serial killers and all that and all the police tapes and stuff and all. I'm always watching them. I used to like them back in the day, but they do all that that stuff now where Big Jimmy was in the forest just literally serial killing all these women, and you're like they're just such nice fellas, do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
such lovely guys, and they were literally just big red dog running around the place and all, like, and then next minute are just literally kidnapping people and slaughtering them.
It's mental. It's mental.
It's terrifying, like.
Lauren can't get enough of that stuff. She watches that sort of stuff all the time.
That's a big dog there, or a bear. That one. That looks like a cat print on it.
Lion? Tiger?
Kid that sadly disappeared in here. Ever seen any spirits want to come forward and speak to us? Can you come forward and touch one of us? Show yourself.
So we've got the druid music on the go. We're playing that, we're pumping it, we're asking, calling out. Let's see what happens, guys. It's so strange standing up here. Lots of trees are all cut down. I know I keep saying it, but it just feels so strange.
It's mad, it's weirdly relaxing or something. Just standing, looking into the forest, having that music playing. It just feels nice or something. I
Yeah.
don't know why.
I don't know where you can see the tops of the forest, guys. But that's how high we're up. I'm surprised we made it this far, but we're up this high. We're just looking over the top of the forest, over the top of the tree line. Absolutely amazing.
Deliberate. I'm taking my time.
Why are you taking your time? Trying to use our energy?
It's just so silent. It just feels so silent. Like it's that quiet that my ears are ringing.
I can hear ringing.
Crocodile.
I hope not. I really, really hope not.
I can hear it ringing. That's horses. Like fucking like a carriage.
Yeah.
Brown eyes.
Right, guys.
That's
That sounds
lit.
like a horse galloping with a carriage in the back, the one you see in the olden days. And that, I'm not even lying, that has been seen. That's what the only like they say that the flipping monks or the
Yeah.
druids arrive. We've been here, haven't heard fuck all really, bar them weird screams.
No, that was so fucking strange. Like, who's going to be out on their horse at this time of night?
But the thing is, see where the noise is coming from? That's where I'd done the Ouija board, and that's where I seen the three figures.
On up this way?
See where we are now, right
Yeah.
at this point corner, this
Yeah.
junction. They were on that junction, and we were doing a Ouija board down there.
So,
Like this is about 8 years ago.
whenever you were only in your 30s?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Whenever I was young. That's so strange. Let's see.
Let's walk up and see. I'll leave the spirit up on there. We can knock. Right, go ahead and knock. Fuck? What the fuck did I just see? Guys, I don't know if I'm seeing things or I'm hallucinating, but see the moon? I'm gonna sound like I'm tripped back here, guys. The moon went down and up. So they're standing there and went like that, and the moon went down and up like a spring. Like someone springed up and down really quick. But then this is known for UFO activity. But I've never heard of anything like that before in my life. What's that?
It must have just been a part.
They shot me.
You see it?
What is it? Can you see it?
No?
I never heard. Did you hear they shot me?
No.
Never heard that either. Right, guys, came through in the spirit world, they shot me. But we didn't actually hear it say anything. It's just, I just looked down, it said they shot me. Who shot you? Are you able to tell me? You hear him?
You hear that? It was like,
Shot.
Shot. They shot me, shot. They shot me, shot.
That's crazy. Who shot you? Who shot you?
A lot of people disappeared back in the day in here.
I was poisoned.
That's weird. It's like two.
Two different deaths.
Yeah. Are you able to tell us who killed you?
See if I come through Druids, I'm running.
That'd be interesting instead. Like, everyone hates in the Spirit Talker app for some reason. I don't know why. It's the only app I actually really enjoy. It seems to be like always connected to something or really like relative.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we've used a few different ones and I always find that it's the same. You always go back to the same one, don't you?
Who poisoned you?
Mr. Taylor.
Mr. Taylor poisoned you? Is Mr. Taylor a bad guy?
So it came through on the Spirit Talker. I was shot. I was poisoned. And we ask, you know, can you tell us who did it? And it came through Mr. Taylor. So it says we have power. So let's see how this goes. See if we get any noises or see how it goes.
It didn't sound like a woman, but that sounded like a man.
Hello? You're hearing like rustling.
Hello? Yeah, I just heard someone say, come here. Me, I just heard someone come here. I don't know if that's in my fucking head. It was like fucking, right? I was just standing, right, and I was like, come here, like that. You want us to go in there? Mate, is that 3 people standing up there? Mate. Can you see that?
I see,
There's something up there.
yeah, I see.
Because that was clear. There's a silhouette of 3 people. Both our torches are on it.
Right up at the top of the...
Right in the on the breast. Hello. It's working there. Hello, hello,
Yeah,
hello.
it's working again there. That just looks like a figure up there. That... I don't feel like we're getting into the forest here. I feel like we should... He's on.
Scares people.
What did I say?
He hears people. Looks
Right,
strange.
Oh, you're scared of evil. She scares people. Yeah, I'm not even recording. What was that? That's like a wolf or something. That's so random.
That was strange.
Right, guys, we're gonna do a bit of this ghost
So we're going to do... At the moon now. Going to do a wee bit of ghost box. See how it goes.
If there's anyone here who'd like to come forward and speak to us, can we try and communicate through here?
That's a strange noise. It doesn't usually make that noise.
What the hell? Scream? What?
That never ever makes that
Mate,
noise.
what is that?
We are here always.
Guys, is that screaming or what is that? Is that you screaming? How many times we used this and I've never had that come through like that? Wow. Could you tell me where we are? It's a tree, isn't it?
T6.
Can you tell me what the moon's like tonight?
Awful. I'm not. That's like a scream. That is like a scream.
Heard a knock again. Did you die here? Can you tell us where we are?
Never.
All right, we'll walk. Let me try and walk a wee bit with this. I've never heard that do that before. Is the woman in the forest?
Don't know whether you heard that on the ghost box or not, guys, but that's like a full-on scream. That is something that has never ever came through on the ghost box. That's so strange. Now, I know we're in the forest, there's wildlife, there's fallen trees, there's all sorts of noises that would be happening. We're just looking out for things that are slightly different. Things that can't be explained. But Spirit Hawker's starting to give us stuff. Ghostbox firing out different words. But there's like this scream. It's so scary, so creepy. Two men in a forest. Gonna keep this on for a while in case we hear anything. See if you can hear anything, guys.
The mad thing is, this is where Carl got terrified. See right here, coming along there, Carl didn't want to come. He was like, let's just go home. You've got scared, and I'm scared. And like, we've walked all around there, and we've been okay. We've heard some weird stuff. But weird, like, you come to this one spot.
It just feels really, really uneasy.
It feels sinister or something,
as if it's about to like erupt. It's so strange.
It's weird, it's the same spot, but...
Yeah.
My name's Neil.
My name's Chris. It's nice to meet you.
Could you repeat our names?
Why you?
Is there... Whoa! What the fuck? I thought someone was coming at us there. Mate, you don't hear that?
Yeah, I keep
It was
hearing.
like something was coming through the forestry at us there. Hello?
I keep hearing noises over on this side. Now, I don't know whether it's just the trees or what it is, but it just feels different. This part of the forest, we've been walking around this all night and it feels calm. But for some reason, when we've got to this part, it feels really, really uneasy. There's lots of wee noises and bangs that are going on around us. Now, in fairness, it could be the trees settling. It could be the water, you know, wildlife, that type of thing, but it just feels different. It feels really, 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 really different. And I'm not gonna lie, I am spooked. You hear that?
Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah.
You in there? Walking through the forest.
Yeah. Oh,
See?
It's just like somebody crunching through the forest, isn't it? I can hear male voices. No, you're not hearing that up here.
What's that? Like someone playing the drums.
Yeah. Do 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 do. That's exactly what that sounds like. I don't know whether the camera's picking it up. Hear it again? Hear it?
That's loud.
I hope the camera's picking this up. This forest feels really, really strange. Really strange. We're hearing drumming, we're hearing noises. We've heard voices. We've heard voices throughout the night too. It just feels like there's definitely stuff going on in this forest.
It's just us standing in the forest shouting low into the forest. You went over, I said the Chris Rattler, joined the tree
Yeah.
Rattler, and all I heard was like that there. Like someone laughing from in there.
Do you want me to hold anything?
It's lovely that. Look, it's like mush.
Mate, look at my trousers.
Oh, for fuck's sake, I don't want that shit on me. Hold on. Yeah, look over there. It's still.
It just goes down and down and down though. Are you okay?
Fuck that. Where's the bag? Hold on. Help me with my bag.
Fuck. There. You just slip? Did you lose your footing? You must have stood on that tree, see that branch? You alright? There's so many different YouTube videos I watch. I watch a lot of YouTube videos of people doing paranormal investigations. No names, no nothing, you know, but I hope you guys are enjoying this content that me and Lauren are putting together. There'll be a lot more coming over the next few weeks and what have you. But I hope you're all enjoying it. And if you're enjoying it, just make sure you pop the like and you share it. Make sure you're subscribed and turn the notifications on, because it means the absolute world to us, guys. So I can't explain to you how it actually feels. Like when we go to locations, we do an investigation, we grab all this footage. I spend hours editing to put it all together for you guys to enjoy. So hopefully you all enjoy it. So that's the end of the video, everyone. First of all, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the likes and the subscribes. It means the absolute world to us. Ballyboley Forest is notorious for all the shadow figures, the bangs, the noises, you know, absolutely everything. The druids. It's mental up here. Bit quieter than I presume that's just because Lauren's not here with us to enjoy it. But as usual, drop us a wee comment, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.